So what does all these new tariffs mean that Donald Trump recently introduced? Well, most would say that these are inflationary. And what typically happens is you see the 10-year yield rise. And we are actually seeing that right now. Now, what happened previously when we had a huge rally here on the 10-year yield is that was followed by a massive dump on the NASDAQ, okay? While NASDAQ was dropping here, the 10-year yield was actually rising. Now, the reason for that is the 10-year yield is essentially a tool that will show you what people might expect from inflation in the future. So whenever we have a rising 10-year yield, that will typically tell you that people think inflation might be a problem in the future. And obviously, because of these new tariffs, well, then people might start to fear that inflation will be a problem. And that could be a negative thing for things like the NASDAQ or the stock market in general, and a more positive thing for things like Bitcoin and gold or risk on assets.